Hello. Welcome all to the brand new stream. Yesterday I was solving this question, Jump Game 4. You guys might know this. This is the list that I'm following. So these are the two problems in the line for now because this is 85th question, is it? It's 84th question actually because there was one question that I already solved. It came up in the list which is wrong. So today is Sunday. I wanna go a little slow, enjoy what I'm doing. This is little different kind of a question. And also, I was doing some kind of automation, like I was creating a AI agent. It's not completely AI agent at this point, using the loops. If you guys are somewhat interested in this kind of stuff, I can also create a video on this if you guys want to let me know about this. This is really nice stuff. Actually, I'm getting the complete video of this live stream and creating some output based on the directions that I am giving to it. So, and at the end, this is converting my 2 hours, 3 hours stream into 8 to 12 minutes of video. So, and it has perfectly picked up the pointers wherever it is required. So, it has came out as a very nice tool. So I'll improvise on this. This was the MVP one that I built, and now I'm building MVP 2. भाई डीएस से ना हो पा रहा है, क्या करूँ? अब कोई उम्मीद थी, नज़र नहीं आ रही मेरे को। अरे ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे मत बोलो भाई। चैट जीपीटी यूज़ करो, कोई इशू नहीं है। यो चैट जीपीटी ना, चैट जीपीटी को बोलो मेरे को इजी से इजी वर्ड्स में एक्सप्लेन करे कि ब्रो चैट जीपीटी प्लीज एक्सप्लेन मी दिस एज अ वेरी बिगिनर पर्सन। चैट जीपीटी विल एक्सप्लेन यू वेरी वेल। ऐसे मत बोलो कि ये नहीं हो रहा वो नहीं हो रहा। इसका मतलब है अगर कोई कंसेप्ट देखो, मैं कंसेप्ट वाइज जाता हूँ। सो दिस इज हाउ आई प्लान, दिस इज माई ग्राफ का प्लान बनाया हुआ था मैंने, क्या क्या करना है। तो उसमें भी चैट जीपीटी को बोलो। अब तो लगता है मेरा लाइफ खत्म है, नहीं यार। ऐसे मत बोलो भाई। देखो तुम है ना, सिंपल से सिंपल प्रॉब्लम से चालू करो, सिंपल से सिंपल कंसेप्ट से चालू करो। ब्रेक इट डाउन इनटू सिंपलर पैटर्न। अभी ग्राफ तो बहुत बड़ा कंसेप्ट है, इसलिए आई हैव ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू मल्टीपल स्मॉलर पैटर्न्स एंड देन लिस्ट। बट टीसी एनक्यूटी नहीं, मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया। गोथ स्लेयर, व्हाट्स योर नेम ब्रदर? डोंट लूज होप, आई एम टेलिंग यू इट्स नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट। बस स्टार्ट करना मुश्किल है, उसके बाद कोई मुश्किल नहीं है। क्या है टी सी एस एनक्यूटी? क्या है पार्थ ये? कॉलेज में लड़कियों के साथ घूमना था पूरा, अब लगता लगा हुआ। क्या? कॉलेज में लड़कियां के साथ घूमता था पूरा, अब लगा हुआ ही मेरा। पढ़ लेना चाहिए था। नहीं यार, कभी भी लेट नहीं होता यार। देखो ज़िंदगी में मज़े करना भी इम्पोर्टेंट है। ऐसा नहीं कि सब पूरी ज़िंदगी तुम पढ़ते रहो, ऐसे थोड़े ना चलेगा। कभी मज़े करो, कभी ये करो। तभी पढ़ाई इसलिए करना है कि तुम मज़े कर पाओ। अब मज़े कर लिया, अब थोड़ा सा पढ़ लो, इट्स नॉट। टीसीएस का बहुत फेमस एग्ज़ाम है। अच्छा, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट ब्रदर। टीसीएस वीसीएस जैसे कंपनी में मेरे को जाना ही नहीं है कभी। हु कैन अप्लाई टीसीएस आयन इनक्यूटी योर गेटवे ऑफ 1000 top jobs? TCS and top jobs doesn't go in the single line. But he has did MBA finance, company placed, and they have mentioned salary 8 LPA and all this for 8 LPA. I'm not like saying this is wrong, but MBA finance actually deserves much more. टीसीएस का बहुत फेमस एग्ज़ाम है। मैं तो लड़कियों के साथ भी नहीं घूमा, मेरे भी ऐसी हालत है। मैं तो बस मज़े ही किया। टीसीएस अच्छी कंपनी है भैया, फ्रेशर। हाँ हाँ, यस यस यस, अच्छी कंपनी है। आई एम सॉरी, अच्छी कंपनी टीसीएस। वो सब पुराना ही। नाउ मार्केट इज कुक्ड। गाइस डोंट गो इनटू अ नेगेटिव थॉट प्रोसेस, मेरे को दिख रहा है तुम लोग बस एक प्रॉब्लम का रट लगाए हुए हो। प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना ही अपना काम है भाई। इफ यू कम अप थ्रू ऑल दिस प्रॉब्लम्स एंड अचीव समथिंग एटलीस्ट वर्थ तो तुम्हें अच्छा लगेगा। डोंट बी सो सैड अबाउट ऑल दिस सिचुएशंस खराब होना इज नॉट बैड। सिचुएशन को बुरा ही रखना, खराब ही रखना, दैट इज बैड। चेंज योर सिचुएशन। हाले हाले क्यों ये बोले, जानो ना बोले, पिया बोले। सो दिस इज अ जंप गेम 4। वेट, मैंने डिस्कॉर्ड पे नहीं डाला, एक गलती रह गई। फिर मेरे को कोई आके बोलेगा कि भाई भीगा हाँ, थोड़ा सा घबराए, थोड़ा सा शर्माए, उछली यहाँ से वहाँ, सागर से मिलने का उसका तो सपना था, पिया व्हाट आर यू सेइंग। अरे यार, मेरे पास एक और चीज़ है जो अपडेट करना है नाउ, दैट आई नीड टू अपडेट फॉर दिस स्ट्रीम। ओपन रिसेंट IndieDev YouTube files, yeah. So it is day 64. mm, Target of today will be two questions because the questions are hard, and now yesterday we solved three, so we are at 83. And current question is jump game. जस्ट अ सेकंड गाइस, मैं मैसेज पढ़ता हूँ, मेरे को एक बार अपडेट करने दो, नहीं तो गलत गलत डेटा इंटरनेट पे जाता है। तरसाना it let me refresh this now. Yeah, it is already refreshed. Wow, it has become so nice. Yeah, okay, so data is correct. ये मेरा rough work चला गया यहाँ से. Okay, back to what you guys are saying. uh, now market is cook. वो तो पॉजिटिव सोचना कैसे होता है ही, मैं सबसे पेसिमिस्टिक बंदा हूँ। डॉक्टर स्ट्रेंज जैसे पॉसिबिलिटीज ढूंढता रहता हूँ। विच इज़ नाइस। मेरी इंग्लिश भी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है ना, मेरी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी है। तुम्हारा हैकेथॉन कैसे गया था? मैं था उस दिन ओ अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। अरे हैकेथॉन में तो मज़ा आया, पता है मेरे को। बहुत दिनों बाद हैकेथॉन में गया था मैं। नाउ द सिचुएशन हैज़ रियली टर्न ना। पहले जितना दिमाग लगाना पड़ता था अब वैसे नहीं है। नाउ AI इज़ देयर एंड ऑल। सो आयुष भाई, आयुष ब्रो, हेलो हेलो ब्रदर, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। हैकेथॉन वाज रियली गुड। नाउ आई एम सर्चिंग फॉर मोर हैकेथॉन्स। किसी के कॉलेज में अगर है तो मेरे को बताओ, आई कैन जॉइन यू गाइस। कैसे तो मेरी एंट्री बना लो, मैं आ जाऊंगा। मज़ा आया लेकिन इस बार ना, इट वाज फन। क्योंकि AI है साथ में, फटाफट इसको पूछो, आइडिया आइडिया फट से फॉर्मुलेट हो जाता है। जस्ट कि मैंने कम मेहनत किया था उस समय। उस दिन मेरे को लगा नहीं बन पाएगा। आई वॉज डाउटफुल, एंड बीइंग डाउटफुल इज रियली वर्स्ट। विन प्राइज इन हैकाथॉन। मेरे को प्राइज वाइज नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को बस वो प्रोसेस का मज़ा चाहिए। It was very fun day. देव पोस्ट पर ऑनलाइन पार्टिसिपेट कर लो भैया मेरे साथ देव पोस्ट क्या है व्हाट इज दिस अच्छा हैकेथॉन्स ओह देयर आर ओपन एंडेड थिंग्स दिस इज व्हाट आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन क्या बनाना है इसमें अपना चैनल थोड़ा बड़ा बन जाएगा ना हम भी अच्छे से मस्त हैकेथॉन लेंगे भाई हैकेथॉन में मजा है what to submit what to be as this no this is not good uh, uh, they will post this Ayush hello bhai are you from Nanded yes how do you know brother Saurabh Chidrewar do we know each other Saurabh I guess I know you search my LeetCode ID need review Veritas Velata bro you guys are on the next level I'm not near to you मैं तुम लोगों को क्या ही रिव्यू करूंगा भाई तुम लोग 700-800 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने वाले लोगों व्हाट द फक 3902 लेट मी बुक मार दिस सब्सक्राइबर्स प्रोफाइल बेंचो ये आके मेरे से रंडी रोना कर रहा था कि भाई डीएस से क्या करूं अब तो नहीं हो पा रहा साला खत्म कर दिया इसने डीएस से क्या ही बकचोद ऑडियंस आ रही है भाई मैं समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ Bro, will we be solving this problem jump game? Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. So this problem ना ये थोड़ा सा अलग प्रॉब्लम लग रहा था मेरे को मेरा नहीं है भाई ओ नो भाई 3000 मेरा नहीं है bro this is not mine ask that guy Goslier. So in this question given, let's read the question first. The usual thing. It is 1345 jump game 4 question. Given an integers of array, only array integer array is provided. You are initially positioned at the first index of the array. Okay, first index as in it's not one index number one, it's index 0. That's where I was confused before starting on this. In one step, you can jump from index I to these three positions, either I plus 1. Okay, if you are here you can go here I plus 1 you can go here but it's outside of this so you cannot go here. Suppose you are here you can go here or you can go here or because it's 100 you can go directly to 100 wherever there is 100%. So these three conditions are there I plus 1 I minus 1 and j is equal to array I equal to array j matlab this 100 equal to 100 but I cannot be equal to j. It makes sense you know now now that one thing that I understood क्या बोल रहे हो 3000 प्रॉब्लम्स कैसे सॉल्व किया मेरा नहीं है भाई आयुष अरे कोई क्रैक्ड बंदा है उसका बायो ट्रांसलेट अच्छा तो यहाँ पे तो one thing that I straightforwardly understood is that I have to use this kind of a structure कि यहाँ पे array so that I can quickly travel to this position. For example, this okay this will be hash map we can use hash map and for example we will have this keys unique keys 100 minus 23 then 404 then 23 and then there is 3 as well so 3 so each one will have its own array right so these arrays will be the position of index now this array has 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 okay so 100 is at 0 position and 4th position so 0 and 4 we can add minus 23 as 1 2 3 1 and 2 sorry 1 and 2 position uh, 1 and 2 404 is at 3 and at 9. Okay. आशा का सवेरा लाए. 5, 6, 7, and 3 is at 8. So we have to reach to the end of this array. Okay, now if we think like this, there is 100, so we will first check if there is one more 100 in front. So we can go to directly this position, to this fourth. So first is this, then we will again check if there is 100. No, there is no 100 present. So we can go I plus 1 or I minus 1. So going I plus 1 is also option. We can go here, then we can go here, and then plus 1 plus 1. It's a very long path. Then but we can do I minus 1 once here. So this is little tricky. We can do I minus 1 because 404 is present at the end. So this from 404 we can go to this. So 0 to 4 to 3 to 9. So how many iterations? How many paths? 1, 2, and 3. 3 is the answer. Uh, like jump game 2, it's not linked to jump game 2. Sorry, yeah, it's not linked to jump game 2. It's a different question. काश उतने स्मार्ट होता तुम लोगों की, मैं तो स्मार्ट नहीं हूँ भाई. So we will use recursion. अभी नहीं पता है. अभी नहीं पता है. अभी now the pattern that I am studying right now is a BFS pattern. So mostly the question that I have pointed out for myself are based on the BFS pattern. Okay, so these are the next patterns. This is the shortest path. This pattern कहाँ गए? Yeah, single source shortest path वाला pattern में से ये question which is I am solving. So it is around that pattern only, not exactly the same because it's a hard level question. So we'll figure that out. So जो मेरे को समझ में आया और visited एक चीज़, तो hash map तो हम लगा ही लेते हैं इसमें, whichever the hash map will need. So we can have like int comma list uh, integer comma list of integer map hm will can have hm is equal to new hash map. Okay, and in this one we have to like run a for loop on this, or array dot, we can use that function as well. Do I say? Yeah, okay, yeah. जस्ट गिव मी सम टाइम. नो, मेरे को फिगर आउट करने में टाइम लगता है इसमें ना. इंट आई इक्वल टू 0, आई लेस दैन array dot size and I plus plus. ठीक है, इसमें we have to add hm dot put. So there is some way, if hm dot get this I, not I, it should be array I. Okay, if this is not present, then only, or maybe this is present. If this is uh, there is put if absent method as well, hm dot put if absent array I and I. This syntax is correct. Is it correct? वहाँ पे लिस्ट होगा तो अपने को लिस्ट में वो ऐड करना पड़ेगा, सो दिस विल नॉट वर्क. वी नीड न्यू array लिस्ट. और वो array लिस्ट में अपने को, वेट मैं इसको सिंपली इसमें लिखता हूँ भाई, ये अपने से नहीं हो पा रहा. hm dot if it present, then we will get hm dot get array I, and we will put like add, because it's a list, so we will add this I. Okay, if present. If not, if absent, then in that case we will do hm dot uh, put new array list. Okay, this is correct. Then we need visited as well. Now visited, will we need 2D or 1D? 1D is visited is fine, so 1D array we will create. uh, Visited is equal to new boolean, and its length will be array dot size. मेरे पापा ने नहीं लिखा था भाई. array dot length. Now we also need a queue for here. Queue, do we need a queue over here? टॉपिक में क्या है? BFS. It's not linked to jump game. So we'll, okay. Otherwise, little BFS algo also, it will be good if you use digital pane and board also. Yeah, I have digital pane. But I have used it. Kakashi, what's up, brother? Hello. Hello. नहीं जुदा नहीं. Just a second, मेरा OBS थोड़ा हिल रहा है. Let me fix it. डिजिटल पेन में मैं एक्चुअली ड्रॉ करके रखता हूँ यहाँ पे, just for the stream. So this is the input actually that we have. So as I explained you, we are starting from here. So this is the starting position. So this is start, and this is the goal where we have to go. Okay, so how we can go? There are three ways to go. Is I plus 1. इसका इंडेक्स क्या है? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. ठीक है, so we can go either I plus 1, we can go I minus 1, and we can go to same value. अगर ये 100 है, ठीक है, हम 100 से सीधा दूसरे 100 पे भी जा सकते. दिस इज दूसरा 100. Is there any more hundreds? No, so we can likely do this. So this is the third way to go. So for us, what would be the output here? So this is from 0, we are starting, we are going to 4. Okay, we can go here, but it will be a long path. We can go to 404 because last wala is 404. So we will go here, iska index है 3, so 3, and then from this we can directly jump to 9 because the value is same. So this is 9 and this is how we can reach the end. So this is the output is required. How many paths we have taken? 1, 2 and 3. So output is 3. ये चाहिए अपने को. Got it? ठीक है तो हम normal the way I'm going to do is normal BFS over here. So in normal BFS I usually use queue of like integer. ठीक है QUE and then in this queue I add the first element dot add zeroth element and I mark this zero element as visited. So visited 0 is equal to true because there is a queue which is formed and in this one we add 0 first. ठीक है 0th element first. सॉरी इंडेक्स फर्स्ट. ठीक है इंडेक्स हम ऐड करेंगे इसमें क्योंकि इंडेक्स का ही खेल है सब. एंड देन वी कीप लाइक जंप जो अपने को चाहिए जंप्स इज इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है एंड देन आई चेक ऑन दिस क्यू कि while this queue is not empty, okay QUE dot is empty, uh, I have to pull this element out. So this becomes our current node. So int current is equal to q dot poll. ठीक है तो we got 0 out and now oh sorry my mistake not current element we pop out from here. I'm sorry for this. We have to first check the queue size कि queue size कितना है यहाँ पे उसके ऊपर अपने को iterate करना होता है. So size is equal to QUEUE dot size. ठीक है and then uh, we run a loop over here to check. So again int I is equal to 0, I less than this size and then I plus plus. ठीक है एंड देन वी पोल दिस एलिमेंट आउट. नाउ यहाँ पे करना था जो करंट अपने को लेना है उस पर ऊपर हम सब ऑपरेशन करेंगे. करंट इज इक्वल टू क्यू यू ई यू ई डॉट पोल. ठीक है नाउ वी गॉट दिस एलिमेंट. नाउ वी हैव टू फर्स्ट चेक ओके फॉर बिफोर दिस आई गेस वी हैव टू एच केस आल्सो. आई ऐड दैट एच केस बट हियर वी नीड कंडीशन. सो दिस पैटर्न इज यहाँ पे अपने को कंडीशन लिखना होता है. तो व्हाट्स द कंडीशन ओवर हियर दैट वी कैन हैव दिस करंट इज इक्वल टू जो अपना एरे दिया हुआ है उसका लास्ट एलिमेंट. ठीक है सो लास्ट एलिमेंट आई कैन हैव दिस लास्ट एलिमेंट लिखा हुआ. तो इन दैट केस वी विल सिंपली रिटर्न हाउ मेनी जम्प्स अब तक हो गए. तो जम्प्स इफ नॉट आपने को आगे का ऑपरेशन करना है लेकिन ये कंडीशन अपने को शुरुआत में भी चेक करना है. ठीक है कि पहला एलिमेंट लास्ट एलिमेंट है तो उस केस में हम क्या करेंगे. सो इफ इफ एरे डॉट लेंथ जो भी है ना इफ इज इक्वल टू 1. सो इन दिस केस वी विल रिटर्न 0. अगर एरे एम्प्टी है तो इस केस में maybe I have to need I need a generalized condition over here. Or I can have this if array dot length is equal to 0 then in that case return -1. So this becomes edge cases. ये edge cases दे रखेगा इसमें. Return minimum number of steps notice तो प्यार बड़ा कि मैं एक अच्छा इसके लिए 0 है. Array length is 1 to this so we don't need this other condition. So this condition is not required. This condition we require. This is edge case. So this is edge case. Now the other thing that we have as I told you I have converted this to and this. Okay अरे यहाँ पे 100 है from this output you know. Let me मैं क्या करता हूँ इसको उधर ड्रॉ करता हूँ तो उसके बाद में सही रहेगा. इसको हम क्या कर रहे हैं ओके सो यहाँ पे वी विल हैव दिस 100 जो भी यूनिक एलिमेंट्स है, ठीक है, -23 ये मैंने बताया फिर से, द गाय सेड यूज पेन एंड पेपर, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डूइंग दिस अगेन, नॉट 100 अगेन. 23 is unique over here, and then there is 3. Okay, so we need one more over here. और उसके इंडेक्सेस हम यहाँ पे मार्क कर दे रहे. ठीक है, इसका क्या क्या इंडेक्स था, 0 है इंडेक्स इसका, एंड वी हैव 4 फॉर दिस वन. -23 के लिए वी हैव 1 and 2, so this is list. Okay, list. And then what we have other things, 404 is at 3 and 9, so this can be useful data because 409 is at the end. Then 23 has 5, 6 and 7, so 5, 6 and 7, and then 8 is at, sorry, 3 is at 8. We have to use this. So till now तो यहाँ तक एकदम straight forward था. Now how we can use this thing? Okay, so let me get this drawing below यहाँ पे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे अपने को इसका कोड लिखना है, ठीक है. नाउ वी नीड वन मोर फॉर लूप ऑन दिस हैश मैप पे, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग वी कैन इटरेट ऑन दिस हैश मैप. कि मैं बस बेघर बेचारा. Wow, you guys are saying something. Yes, great. Bhai, can you made series for Spring AI with MCP? यार मैं ना ट्यूटोरियल्स नहीं बनाऊंगा इस चैनल पे. आई एम डूइंग एवरीथिंग जस्ट फॉर फन फॉर माई सेल्फ. आई एम नॉट हियर टू टीच एनीथिंग, आई एम हियर टू लर्न. इफ लेंथ इक्वल टू या आई डिड दैट. थैंक यू आयुष भाई. एक काम करते हैं, यहाँ तक लिख लेते हैं, क्योंकि जितना मैं आगे जाऊँगा ना मेरे को और आइडिया आते जाएगा. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट वी नीड a queue as well. So before doing everything we have to just check if array dot इसको बाहर लेते हैं, int len is equal to array dot length, and then if this length equal to, there is no 0 possible, Ayush, I'm sorry, but it's 1 because it's, see, this constraints array length, so in this case return 0. अगर नहीं है तो फिर आगे के हम बाकी बकचोदी करेंगे. ठीक है, एंड देन यहाँ पे वी नीड QUE and it will be of integer is equal to new array deck. I am using always because array decks are faster performing. Okay, and then we will add QUE, add first index. First index means 0th index will add. And then we will mark this index as visited because we are not supposed to come back to this position again, so visited true. ठीक है, and then int jumps, which is the output, which supposed to be the output of our problem. So we will check this queue, QUE dot is not empty. ठीक है, inside this we will take the size of the current size of the queue, QE dot size, we'll take the size, and then we will iterate on this queue. So I equal to 0, I less than this size, and I plus plus, and inside this we will poll the element out, so which will become our current element. So from this current element we have to like think about आगे जाना है पीछे जाना है, कहाँ पे हम जा सकते हैं, which is the most forward we can go from here. First take this element out from the queue. Okay, we have polled this element. Now the first condition we have to check if ये current ही last element हुआ अपना equal to the target. So I'll get this target. So in that case I'll just simply return how many jumps till now has been done. So मेरे को ये target यहाँ पे एक variable बना के लेना पड़ेगा. Int target is equal to array len, if it's 4, yeah, 5, so it is the last element that we have. Okay, so this is the target, and if it is, then simply just come out, return jumps. And uh, if not, we have to go from this way. We can go I+1, we can go I-1, and the most important, we can go to this. No, 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 no. I am doing one mistake over here. If current equal to जमाना क्या कहेगा, छोड़ दो आंचल, जमाना क्या कहेगा. Oh, not only this, we have to check for index as well, because current and target can be equal, but the current का index cannot be the last. So do I have to uh, take the Q में 2D वाला मतलब integer array, can I take it, or क्या कहेगा. इसका इंडेक्स क्या है. No, 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 no. This is wrong. So it is like array index लेने का क्या होता है function. How to get index uh, from int array from value in Java. Or should we have to use hash map over here? जमाना क्या कहेगा. No, this is wrong. ना क्या कहेगा, छोड़ दो आंचल, जमाना क्या कहेगा. So we can get from this hash map. From this hash map, we have this current value. Okay. It is an index that we pushed. So index is equal to, yeah, understood. ये नहीं चाहिए. This is the target, and this is correct now. This is correct now. Sorry, my bad. What you guys are saying? Can we solve this using dynamic programming? I'm not going into dynamic programming, brother. We can solve this using many more things, but my current focus is graphs only. So I'll be only focusing on graphs, BFS only. So current equal to target is what. ठीक है. After this for loop, actually we have to do jumps uh, plus plus, and if nothing is like matches, then at the end we will return 0. So this becomes end to end this. But बीच में जो अपने को करना है, uh, I'll uh, I'll should write this as current index so that I wouldn't get confused. Current index is target index. छोड़ दो आंचल, ज़माना क्या कहेगा. If current index not equal to target index, uh, then we can check कि current index is equal to this. Uh, we can check if array current index is equal to array target index. If that is so, then we will do jump plus plus. We will do uh, jumps plus plus and we'll return jumps. Okay. So So this can be one condition. Okay, if का index ही है ये, अगर नहीं है, if current index is equal to target index, then directly this. If not, now we have to check for the neighbor. So one we will go forward. One time we will go forward, ठीक है, and one time we'll go backwards, ठीक है. What we will do if we go forward, so in that case we will do current index plus 1, current index plus 1. कल जो हम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहे थे, कल हमने क्या सॉल्व किया था? This thing, current, we can get this index, ठीक है, और backward का index, yeah, we will have int forward here. Okay, we will take current index plus 1, ठीक है, and we can check this forward cannot go out of the index, out of the array boundary. So this forward should be less than array length, ठीक है, and it should not be visited, it should not be visited. What else? uh, yeah, it should not be visited, that's it. Then if the conditions met, then we will add this to queue dot add this forward, and also mark visited forward is equal to true, ठीक है, this much. And similar thing we have to do for backward, this whole thing. Okay, backward, so let me write backward over here, and your current index minus 1, and this backward should be greater than equal to 0, greater than equal to 0, and it should not be visited as well. Then we'll add this and we'll do this, ठीक है. And yeah, this much, this is it, I guess. uh, there is hash get or ओके, या टू केसेस चल भी गया भाई. अच्छा, इस 0 0 वाले चले क्या? ओ नो, 1 वाले भी चला है, दैट मीन्स इट्स वर्किंग समवॉट. और आउटपुट इज 4 but it's 3, so is it because it will be this. Okay, कहानी, let me try and submit this. 3 test cases, so it should be 0 or what, or 1. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, 0 is the mm, this is correct. Any help from you guys? क्यों add array 0? क्यों add array 0 नहीं यार, इंडेक्स ही ऐड करना है अपने को. हमें एक्चुअली ये ना ड्राई रन करके देखना चाहिए, तभी अपने को सही से समझेगा ये. लेट मी फॉरवर्ड हमने ले लिया, बैकवर्ड ले लिया. The last jump game what I had, minimum genetic mutation वाला नहीं. The jump game 3 that I solved. It was little different. There's little bit of mistake that we are doing over here. थोड़ा सा कुछ मिस, अरे मैंने मेरे ही इससे लाइक नहीं किया स्ट्रीम को. Let me like the stream first. म्यूजिक ना बंद हो भाई. डिस्कॉर्ड पे मैंने डाला है, नहीं डाला है, इस डिस्कॉर्ड पे डाला है मैंने. टारगेट इंडेक्स इज दिस. थोड़ा सा कहानी. Let's try run this now. Let me get this input as well. So this is the input. So this condition तो not meeting over here. So ये run नहीं होगा. This would not run. And target index is, इसका लेंथ कितना है? 0 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 is the length. So it target index becomes 9. ठीक है. Then this map, this is the map that we have created. This map has been created. And then there is queue. So I draw queue this side. ठीक है. And in this queue we are adding index 0. ठीक है. And visited we mark this true. ठीक है. Visited I'll not do this. Then jumps equal to 0. uh, if queue is not empty, size we got a 1 here, and current index is 0. ठीक है. If target index 0 is equal to 9, no. so it is not run. Array 0. Now array 0 is 100 and array target index 404, is it equal? No, it's not equal, so it will not run this condition. Then int forward, so 0 plus 1 equal to 1 we get. Okay, 1 is less than yes length and 1 is not visited, yes, then we will add this one. This is not here, this has been popped, and we will mark this. Okay, and we will do this backward index, current index minus 1. So current index is 0, minus 1, is it greater than or equal to 0? No, it's become minus, so we'll not add that. Again, queue size, queue is not empty, so queue size is 1 again, and then current index is 1. Okay, so current index is 1 and equal to 9, no. What is 1 minus 23 equal to 404? No, so this is not run. Then we will go forward. So what is forward? 1 plus 1 is, it's become 2. Okay, so 2 is less than length, not visited, we will add 2. So this is popped out, so we will add 2 now. Now 2 has been marked to this, and then current index minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, current index 1 minus 1 0. So is it greater than or equal to 0? Yes. Is it visited? Yeah, it's already visited, so we'll not add that again. So 2 is there again, size 1, then this current index becomes 2, we pop this out. So is it equal to this? No. What you are saying, uh, if you get digital, अच्छा ये मैंने पढ़ा था. No worries guys, it's Sunday, I'll do it in chill mode. So target index is 9, it is not equal. Current index 2, so this 0 1 2, so 2 is not equal to this, so this will not run, and then 2 plus 1 it becomes 3. So 3 less than yes and not visited. Yeah, and q dot add 3, but then index backward, which is like 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, so index 1 is visited. बैकवर्ड कभी जा ही नहीं रहे यार हम. बैकवर्ड तो जा ही नहीं रहे हम यार, क्योंकि all the elements of the backward are has been. तो पहला केस अपना रन ही नहीं हो रहा है. 5 आया, इट शुड बी 3. We are doing some big mistake over here. Just don't tell me the final code, tell me two things. One, if I'm on the correct path, and second, what's the mistake that I'm doing logic wise, not code wise, because I spent some time in debugging this. Yes, you are on the right path, so that is correct. The shortest problem in indices, so level order BFS plus visited array is exactly right. Your main logic mistakes, you created the value to indices map, but you never use it to enqueue all the indices having. Oh, okay, मैंने बाद में add ही नहीं किया यार उसमें. बाद में उसको यूज़ ही नहीं किया मतलब मैंने. After adding I immediately replace the list with the new empty list also. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, यही लॉजिक में गड़बड़ है अपना. ये शाम चलना ले सरा. पहले ही स्टेप में मिस्टेक किया है हमने. There is one more way. Can you give me correct? Because if I'm adding this not equal to null, then I'm adding I to the list. If it's null, if this is not present, then I'm putting new array list, which is correct. Sitar compute if absent, I don't want to use. ना मुझको शायद हम ये गलती कर रहे हैं. और कंटेंट्स की या उल्टा किया हमने ना. हैश मैप करके बहुत टाइम हो गया अपने को. तुम सदा की दिल अभी वहीं परा. कंटेंट्स की, नॉट कंटेंट्स की. इफ नॉट कंटेंट्स की, ऐसे दिया ना उसने. मे बी दिस वाज मिस्टेक. वही तो मतलब हुआ यार. ओके ओके, let's see how many test cases we are. 12, again 12 test cases only, so jumps should be mm, not 0. If I do -1, the first test case only work, I guess. First and second. Let's see. भरा नहीं. uh, do we have to start from, do we have to start from jumps equal to 0, right? Because that's another confusion that I have. Yes, start is jump 0, so that is correct. That's not a issue. So अभी क्या issue है अपने इसमें? ये -1 नहीं, ये 0 ही सही है. Then first condition अपना एक से miss हो रहा है, so we have to think about that. Expected is 3, but output is 4, so it's not coming back. That's what the problem is. It should come back and then go. Any help from the chat? No. So we have to also check. We checked forward, we checked backward, but we didn't check if all the indices with the same value, I guess. This. The थर्ड कंडीशन इज व्हाट वी आर नॉट गेटिंग. सो ये कंडीशन अपने को लेना पड़ेगा. अरे आई इक्वल टू अरे जे एंड आई नॉट इक्वल टू जे. एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए दूर तक निगाहों पे ये ना यूजुअली फॉर लूप होता है, तो ये अपना गलत हो रहा है मेरे को लग रहा है. We should get all the neighbors, all the possible indices that we can go to and then iterate on that. है आपकी निगाहों से. So I'm guessing इसको हम एक सेकंड के लिए करते हैं. We need just यहाँ पे एक for loop लगता है, so it is neighbors. So it is like int neighbors, all the neighbors. So how we will get this neighbors part? And inside this we have to do this. Okay. So that's for sure क्योंकि this is a pattern. But what's the neighbors mean? Oh, neighbors it can be this no कि इस map में हमने जो add कर रखा है. So map dot get current index. Correct chat. So map dot हम अगर current index का ले, not index, it's not index, it's a value. So map dot get array current index. Okay, if this is what we are getting, then we can have this, and we will need this condition as well. If not visited, forward वाला नहीं, बस is visited. देखा एक ख्वाब तो है सिलसिले हुए दूर तक. Okay, if only not visited, then we will do this. तो हम सारे ही चेक कर पाएंगे. और ये भी अपने को चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से ना. ये पहले चाहिए शायद. इसको पहले चेक करेंगे, देन वी विल चेक दिस बिकॉज द सेम इंडेक्सेस के लिए. इट्स HM. 12 ही आएंगे तो फिर हमने कुछ किया ही नहीं. 11 एक कम हो गया. देखा एक ख्वाब तो है सिलसिले हुए दूर तक निगाहों. Let me ask here. Am I correct now? देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए दूर तक निगाहों. No new chats. Where is the moderator today? Sunday night is always little slow, you know. Inside you are almost correct, but the same value neighbor loop has one mistake. You are checking and adding forward again. अच्छा अच्छा, सिंटेक्स मिस्टेक हुआ है यहाँ पे. नेबर चेक करना है. Sorry. कितने पा Oh, it worked. It worked. I hope it should submit. Oh, it's wrong. It's wrong. Use this test case. हम तुम कितने पास है, कितने दूर है चांद सितारे. सच पूछो तो ये शायद पहले चेक करना और ये बाद में चेक करना है अपने को. इज इट? क्योंकि ये आइडियली लॉजिकली इट कम्स फर्स्ट. and then this, will that make a difference? Oh, it didn't make any difference. और तुम, any help guys? प्यार को प्यार मिला, what it said? You're almost correct. Yeah, this one is fixed. Your BFS direction logic architecture should use. Yeah, this is the syntax mistake that I did. Remove that value from the map or clear its list after processing same value indices. Oh, हमने remove वगैरह नहीं किया है ना? It's saying remove. Any hints on this? So once this is processed, it's saying remove this. So not in this one. hm dot remove ही होता है ना? क्या रिमूव करें, लेकिन हम वो कंप्लीट इंडेक्स ही रिमूव करें, मतलब जो करंट इंडेक्स है अपना. कलियां मान की कांटों का. So once it is processed, remove this. Okay, because from this one, if we are iterating on this again and then we are doing this, so yeah, it will work now. बिछड़ गया मैं साथ. भाई बहुत ही सेंटी गाना लगा है. अब क्या गलती कर रहे हैं भाई हम. hm खाली हो जा रहा है. करंट इंडेक्स इफ आई रिमूव फ्रॉम दिस, or maybe after this. जीना कहते हैं तो यूं ही जी लेंगे. अच्छा, इट्स इनसाइड. उफ ना करेंगे, सब छीनेंगे, आंसू पी लेंगे. नहीं समझ में आ रहा. कम सा बार मिला हमने तो जब कलियां. There is one remaining issue. After this, another index having the same value will eventually come out of the queue. Store check the list before iterating and process only when it exists. Come so far. Simply, if I go and add a key over here, check for the key. hm contains key. Okay, then only we do this. Okay, it didn't fail, but it didn't work either. तो ये रिमूव का क्या फ़ायदा, मतलब मैं समझ नहीं पाया. कैन somebody explain me this? इसको इधर ही रिमूव करोगे. जहाँ में ऐसा कौन है जिसको कम मिला नहीं हुआ. जिसको गम मिला. What the fuck? एक बार फॉरवर्ड बैकवर्ड कंटेंट्स की भी चेक कर लिया. Then from this we are checking all the neighbors. That means on the list जितना भी list में present है we are adding to this and then this, and all the neighbors has been added to queue, and then we are removing this completely, and then we are iterating on the queue again, and then we are checking if this current index equal to this and this equal to this. It's correct only, how many test cases now passing? 32. Acha, only one test case is failing, only this test case is failing. Oh, okay. 32 टेस्ट केसेस पास, मतलब एक टेस्ट के लिए ही हम ओके वी आर 99% करेक्ट. You have handled correctly BFS level traverse this neighbors all indices with avoiding repeated processing. The condition is also logically correct because current index you can jump this, it would be cleaner because from current index you can directly jump to the target. In one additional jump it would be yes, so you do not modify BFS level variable inside the loop apart from. इसने गलती नहीं बताई. Yes, now logic is correct. You have correctly handled BFS level. Yes, plus one minus one neighbors. Yes, all indices with the same value. Yes, avoiding repeated processing using yes. This condition is also logically correct because from current index if you can directly jump to the target in one additional jump it would be cleaner. uh, it's saying just jump plus one, do this, it's the same. Instead of this it's saying this jump plus one, but it will not make our answer correct. के पास तुम रहती हो. What's the problem also over here? Backward is this greater than equal to 0 or mistake क्या है? What's the issue now? But ऐसा तो नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. आँखों पर तेरा आँचल लहरा है. ओनली वन कंडीशन इज फेलिंग. हमने हार्ड क्वेश्चन यहाँ तक सॉल्व कर लिया यार. मेरे को आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ नाउ. ये गलती किया था लेकिन लॉजिकली सही था. मैं बस कंटेंट्स की भूल गया था बिकॉज आई वाज यूजिंग हैश मैप सिंस आफ्टर एजेस. सो दैट्स द मिस्टेक आई शुड एक्सेप्ट. रेस्ट वाज एक्चुअली करेक्ट. It is valid, but BFS will already check the target to the. Oh, okay, so they are saying it's not required तो. हाँ, because usually एक ही condition होता है. मैंने यहाँ पे दो condition डाला था. Let's see, but why? अच्छा, it will. BFS will do the job. We don't have. Yeah, this is okay. Now it worked. एक एक्स्ट्रा दिमाग लगाने के कारण ये सब हुआ था. It worked. It was a hard question. It worked. शाम्स को लिखना था 77%, which is correct, which is nice, and memory also 86.71. We got claps from LeetCode. Now keep a mind map of this. एक ही condition होता है यहाँ पे, not multiple condition. Even though it was a hard question, there was no necessary because BFS is doing all the things. It's kind of a recursion, and that's why my tiny brain wasn't able to think about this. Okay, how this will I was just checking for the values as well again, but here it is being added to that and the queue is already checking. Good lesson. Good lesson for me over here. Let me update my sheet now. Jump game is done, solved. So bus route is 1, graph valid 3. So let me update over here. तुमसे प्यार करूं समझो कि दीवाना मैं तेरा. Let me refresh the OBS. Is it refreshed? It's not. Let me save this. Is it refresh? No. Yeah, it refreshed. The अब वो जो ऊपर मैंने इंफॉर्मेशन स्ट्रिप लगाई हुई है दैट शुड चेंज. के पास ये क्वेश्चन बहुत दिन से हम अवॉइड कर रहे थे. जस्ट लाइक शी अवॉइड्स अस. विल सॉल्व दिस नाउ. आज संडे नाइट को पता नहीं यार एकदम ही डल ऑडियंस आती है. आई एम नॉट श्योर संडे के दिन क्या कर रहे होते हैं लोग. बाहर जाते हैं, ये करते हैं. आई कैन टेक ब्रेक्स ऑन संडेज इफ दैट इज द थिंग. आई कैन स्ट्रीम ऑन दी फ्राइडेज. तुम सोचो इतना. Okay, we'll solve this question next now. I hope the strip that I am adding at the top is visible to you guys. And it is useful to you as well. Let me check strip में क्या दिख रहा है. ये अच्छा दिख रहा है. So Sunday is not the day to stream. Now, okay. Let's read the question. We will do our job. The rest of the things is not in our hands. You are given an array routes representing bus routes where routes I is this is a bus route that. भाई हार्ड क्वेश्चन अभी आ रहे हैं तो मज़ा भी आ रहा है लेकिन no new audience. If people are not here then I can do one quick that I had to do. Mm. Just a second, I'm doing this because nobody's over here. That's why. Okay, this is better. Sorry for this. I'll back on the problem. Now, yeah. Let's read the question. 815 bus routes. You are given an array routes representing bus routes where routes I is a bus route that the ith bus report repeats forever. Okay. For example, routes 0 is 157. Okay, this means that the 0th bus travels in a sequence 1 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 1, 1 to 5, like this infinite times forever. You will start at the bus stop source. You are not on any bus initially and you want to go to the bus stop target. Okay, so this is the target bus stop. You can travel between bus stops or by buses only. Return the list number of buses you must take to travel from source to target. मेरे को लग रहा है ये आसान है. If it is not possible, it's a list of list. Back to the graph, the original graph that we used to use. Routes is what we have been given. Bus repeats forever. For example, this. Uh, Representing the route I where is a bus route. Ith bus repeats forever. So this is ith bus. So source is 1 and target is 6. So 1, 2, 7 and then 3. So tell me how return the number of buses you must take. So buses will be 2 for this. That is very clear. यहाँ पे 2 buses चाहिए. The first strategy is to take the first bus to the bus stop 7, then take the second bus to the bus stop 6. First bus to the stop 7, yeah. So we just want to have the bus ka count, no? So this 7 source is 15, target is 12. ये राउट को अपने को कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. Yeah, play some good music. अपने को बस बस नंबर ऑफ बस चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे दिस नाउ आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस राउट्स को वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट टू graph or something, because this, so this is 1, 2 and 7 and this is 3, 6 and 7. This is 0 and this is 1, so 0 is connected to 0, this and this and this. So if in terms of graph we can think of like this. So 1, 2, 7 and 7 is connected to 3, and 6. So we can go from here like this 0 to 7 and then 6. So this is level 1, this is level 1, and this is level 2. So that means 2 buses we have to take. Okay. So now I have doubt, I have to convert this to a graph first because हमने बहुत टाइम से ये किया नहीं है 2D array को ग्राफ में कन्वर्ट करने का. So will this question be asking us to do that? That is the question. The topics hash table. So okay, we need a hash like the previous problem. Okay, like this. Okay, I understood. Okay, so this bus is like 0th bus, first bus, like this. यहाँ पे we can have this array 1 2 7 and then 3 6 and 7. ठीक है, ठीक है. And then for here we will take the neighbors, we'll check. No, 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 no. Let me ask this. For 815 question, for 815 question, do I need a hash map again where uh, of integer comma list of integer type? This is the doubt I have. Guys, please do like this stream यार, stream like कर दो भाई जो भी देख रहे हैं. अगली बार से मैं संडे को लीड कोड नहीं स्ट्रीम करूंगा, वो तो मैं समझ गया. उल्टा यही मैं सोच रहा था क्योंकि ऐसे तो नहीं होने वाला, उल्टा. We need this. So not like this actually, not like this. Let me delete this and let me create this. So we need a hash map, but we need to add this 1 2 7 3 6 and we have to like mark कि ये कौन कौन से इसमें है. 0 में है, 2 is in present in 0, this present in 0 comma 1, this present in 1 and this present in 1. So after this we can simply check uh, the target is, source is 1, target is 6. So what's the bus number that we have for this target is 1, correct? 6 number bus stop has a target bus 1, the bus actual bus is 1. Then that means we can get this value and we can check uh, any of the hash map contains both, not both. ऐसे तो नहीं होगा, हमें इसको क्यों यूज करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, इतना इतना कर लेते हैं, इतना लिख लेते हैं पहले. गाने क्यों बंद हो गए भाई? अच्छा, लिस्ट ही खत्म हो गई. अब इंग्लिश का सुनते हैं. ओके, सो इफ यू गाइज वांट मी टू ड्रॉ अगेन, मैं दूसरे पेज में ड्रॉ करके रखता, बट नाउ I'll create a map of integer comma list of integer. Sweet dreams sunlight. So new hash map. Okay, but is there, if source equal to target hoga, तो that means return the least number of buses you must take to travel from source to target, return -1 if not possible. uh, if this source is equal to target, then in that case we will just return 0. Okay, if not, we will take this map and we will just add to this map. So we will iterate on routes. So int int route or int what? List integer, which is correct? B papa parappa papa parappa. On these routes. Okay, if hash map dot contains key, no, this is route, this is routes. We need one more for loop over here. Int I equal to 0, I less than routes dot length and I plus plus. Okay, routes length, yeah. And then inside this we'll do this I, and then this if contains key. Key is our uh, it is bus stop. uh, H Anirudh, hello bhaiya, hello brother, welcome to the stream, bro. The Sunday stream is very dull. Usually we have so many people by this time. I just started DSA. Any tips? For the tips for the beginners, I have added a video on my channel a while back. Let me give you the URL of that. That 5 mistakes I was doing. So if you can avoid those mistakes, then it would be useful for you, because I was also a beginner a while back. So this you can follow. This video I have shared the video link. Mm, these are bus stops actually. So routes I, so I'll bus stop. ठीक है. If this bus stop does not present, हमने last problem में क्या किया था? We'll add a new list over here. So hm dot put hm dot put, and we will have this bus stop as a key, and in the value we will just add empty list, array list. Okay, if not, we will just add hm dot put uh, bus stop, add I, yeah, this part is correct. क्यों डिलीट किया भाई? हेलो भैया, व्हाई यू डिलीटेड द मैसेज ब्रदर? मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता। कितने सारे लोग ऐसे कि दे आस्क क्वेश्चन एंड दे डिलीट द मैसेजेस, व्हाई सो? आर यू डिलीटिंग योर इंटरनेट स्टेप? Okay, now we need a queue as well. So we will add source to the queue. So this queue will be of integer. QUE is equal to new. I'm using ArrayDex always because ArrayDex is faster than the normal queue. It improves the efficiency. And then in this queue, QUE dot add, I'll add the source, correct? And then I need a visited as well. So I'll make a boolean. It is a 2D. So do I need a 2D? Mm, the bus stops only. I'll mark only bus stop visited. So visited new boolean, and it is like hm dot size. No, लेकिन visited mark हम bus stop को करेंगे. I don't think we need visited over here. Let's skip visited for now. जब अपने को ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तभी हम यूज़ करेंगे, क्योंकि एक चीज़ को हम बार बार विजिट कर सकते हैं ना. सो नो, विजिटेड नहीं चाहिए. So we'll check, and int number of bus, we will take number of bus, that is the question that we has been asked. So number of buses, and here while queue is not empty, the traditional method queue dot is not empty, then we will just take the size in size of the queue dot size. So that is the size that we get, and then we'll iterate on this queue. So int I equal to 0, I less than this size, and I plus plus, and then inside this we will pull the element out from this, which is the current bus, no, current uh, current bus stop is what we will get from here. So I'm naming this very well so that I wouldn't get confused over here. So I'll just poll this out, UE dot poll. Guys, जो भी देख रहा है, please do like the stream because usually the other people will know that I'm live. Okay, so current bus, and I'll just check कि if this current bus stop is the target. Okay, if this current bus stop is equal to the target bus stop. So if it's target, then we'll just simply return up to till now how many number of buses that we have changed. So I'll just simply mention this. If not, uh, if not, I have to iterate on the hash map now in the form of neighbor. So usually this logic goes like this. I have to figure out int neighbor on the neighbors. Okay, neighbors, and then iterate on this, and if not visited, uh, not visited only, and then here add to queue, and oh, not visited है ही नहीं अपने पास ना. सो ये तो लूप कंटिन्यूअसली चलता ही जाएगा यार. वेट, ये फॉर लूप फिगर आउट करते हैं, लेकिन द वन थिंग दैट वी हैव टू डू इज आफ्टर दिस लूप we are changing the bus, like there will be bus plus plus. So bus plus plus ठीक है. if not, एक भी बार हमने बस ये नहीं किया, तो उसके बाद we'll just simply return -1, what is the question has been asked to us. There is some, yeah. Now this neighbors is like I'm thinking कि hm dot get current bus stop, so we will get the list, I can draw this for you, but I have this in my mind. उसको करेंगे hm.get current bus stop, we will get the list of the buses that can go to there. So bus, ठीक है, and then this bus, I'll draw for you guys. Maybe it is similar to like this, but I'll draw this quickly for you if you guys are interested. So this is our queue, and if I take this as an input, okay, if I take this as an input, then what I should be having over here is like one, this bus number 1, 2, 7, 3 and 6, and this will have a list. So how many bus, one, कहाँ कहाँ पे कौन कौन सी बस जा सकती है? So 0th bus can go, 2 also 0th bus can go, 7, oh, 0 and 1, 2 buses can go over here. Okay, 3 पे only first bus can go over here, and on the 6th first bus can go over here. So this is what I am taking. So I am now iterating on this. How I am iterating on this, let me get this closer. So bus hm dot get current bus. So hm dot get current bus, current bus stop. So this is the bus stop. These are bus stops. These are bus stops we have, and these are bus numbers. बस नंबर्स, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे आई पुट बस स्टॉप एंड आई गॉट द बस, कौन सी बस वहाँ पे जाएगी. नाउ व्हाट आई हैव टू थिंक कि इट शुड, that bus could have been already used. So visited is not making sense over here, but without visited, I have to mark the bus number as visited. So I need visited, boolean route size is what I need. So I need this route's length, and I have to mark this visited the first bus, because, oh, not the first bus. So I have to take, hm dot get source का जो बस है ना, वो हम उसमें ऐड करेंगे visited. We'll mark this as visited. Okay, now I'm smart, because source वाला bus stop अपने को mark करना है. Then after that what we will do in this one, not visited, yeah. So we will check if this bus is not visited, particular bus. That means if this bus we haven't taken, only that will count. If that bus has already been taken, so that has been counted. Even though we are taking the bus, we can take the bus, but we cannot count the bus. So add to queue. So we will go here and we will queue dot add this bus. So we will add this bus, and then we will mark this bus as visited. So this bus we will mark as visited. Okay, so यहाँ पे भी हमने visited mark नहीं किया, so we'll mark this as true, and then we have to remove, so it can be null as well. Okay, so I have to check, इसके अंदर I have to do this. So I have to check if this, not this, contains key, then only do check this. Once it is checked, I have to remove this from the map as well. So hm dot remove, uh, current bus stop, not current bus stop, yeah, current bus stop is what I have to remove. Okay, let me try this now. अरे सबमिट किया मैंने यार. Boolean spelling mistake. This is not allowed. Apparently not smart though. Oh no, it was like not source. This is like the bus number. So uh, this will give me the list, and from here I can add this array required but list integer found. एक सेकंड हमें मार्क बस नंबर को मार्क करना है, तो उसका बस नंबर क्या है? ऐड सोर्स, वी हैव एडेड दैट. Smart tools, hello brother. Array, I'm doing this problem, if you can read this problem, solving the DSA, brother. I have to mark the bus number visited. So what's the bus number for this source? uh, this is like get 0. Oh, okay, it worked. One condition, it worked. -1 wala, so it is like 2 3 test cases, acha 10 test cases, which is okay. uh, भाई मैं भी कोडिंग करता हूँ और एक सास भी बनाया है, आप रिव्यू कर सकते हो. हाँ हाँ, प्लीज़ प्लीज़ डू शेयर. आई लाइक टू सी दिस वर्क्स. डू शेयर इट. I'll watch, I'll review it. Output came as -1. uh, can I send it अभी डिस्कॉर्ड पे? या इफ यू आर ऑन डिस्कॉर्ड यू कैन शेयर इट ऑन डिस्कॉर्ड, और लिंक्डइन पे भी शेयर कर सकते हो, wherever you are okay with. If you are not on Discord, then you can share it on LinkedIn or Instagram or anywhere. This is the LinkedIn. You can DM me there. एक काम करो ना भाई, अपना मेल भेज दो. मेल, यूट्यूब चार्ट है ना, इसमें मेल वगैरह नहीं डालने देता. दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम ब्रदर. इफ आई शेयर समथिंग URLs other than this, it blocks. डिस्कॉर्ड पे भेजो. डिस्कॉर्ड इज ऑलवेज ओपन, मेरे इसमें ओपन रहता है. आयुष, हेलो भाई आयुष. He just joined. So are you? Your name is Ayush. Are you? So what's the mistake here? You are on the right path with the map, but BFS is mixing bus stops and bus indices. Your queue starts with a bus stop, yes, so every value inside queue should remain a bus stop. अच्छा, मैंने ये किया क्या? But here bus is route index, now bus stop. You are adding it to into queue that is supposed to contain stops. Yeah, first fix this line for me. आई एम कंफ्यूज कि किसको ये मार्क है. आई एम कंफ्यूज्ड अबाउट व्हाट टू mark as visited first. Check the Discord. Don't share the password on live. तुमने पासवर्ड भेजा है क्या? अच्छा ये डीएम नहीं. आयुष. Let me log into your account. This is it, right? Yeah. Prime Health. Raktim Yoddha. Hey, these are the numbers. Okay, it's okay. Acha, this is for the hospitals that you have created. View details. Doctor notes. Is it not working? Yes, this is my SaaS. This is MVP of exactly I want to build. Oh, okay, okay. एक सेकंड मेरा रिस्पॉन्स जनरेट हो गया होगा. Do not mark any bus as visited initially. Replace that line with nothing. Okay, it's saying I don't have to mark anything as visited over here. Okay, but I'm adding Q. I'm adding wrong thing to the this, so I need to change this. Let's see your first. It's static data, it seems. ऑडियंस में ऑथेंटिकेटेड लिखा है. So these are the appointments. Yeah, I know this idea. This is very popular thing. What is this user? Yeah, you can preach to this any hospital that want to work and want to use, and based on that they can create. You are storing the patient's uh, एक second. I am seeing something weird over here. Just set this cookie from the backend. You can shift this to the front end, set cookie from the backend is weird for this. डू यू हैव पेजिनेशन फॉर दिस? सपोज कितने लोग आ सकते हैं ना? देयर इज नो पेजिनेशन. Where is this data coming from? But there are only 5 appointments. Why I can see these many values over here? ID. ये डेटा आ कहाँ से रहा है फिर तुम्हारा? लिखा तो अच्छे से ही है, मतलब इतना. इट्स नाइस. आई एम ट्राइंग टू फिगर इट आउट. दीज आर पेशेंट्स डायरेक्टरी. पेशेंट्स का डेटा यूजुअली बहुत ही प्राइवेट होता है. यू हैव टू हैव सो मेनी चेक्स ऑन दिस. व्हाट आर यू सेइंग? Try the pages because everything is live and working, and tell me your experience. No bro, I have a full live DB, no static data. Try creating everything and visit different pages. I have AI to book appointments for doctor. Try adding you as a patient and everything working live. The notification are pushing the mail. ए भाई नहीं नहीं, मेरा फ़ोन नंबर आ जाएगा भाई. ए भाई should I have to clear my data. Okay, understood. You said it's working, that's fine. ये ऐसे क्यों आ रहा है? रिस्पॉन्स क्यों नहीं दिख रहा मेरे को यहाँ पे? सी नाउ आई एम ऑन दिस सर्विसेज पेज, बट ये सब कॉल क्यों हो गए? कैलेंडर, अपॉइंटमेंट्स, पेशेंट, दीज आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. नहीं, यूज़र कॉल तो ठीक है चलो, बट यूज़र को तुम सेव स्टोर कर सकते हो. दिस इज. एंड वेर इज द सर्विसेज को कॉल? आर दिस स्टैटिक? Appointments, AI training, voice analytics, content. What is this? Yeah, I saw that it's not static. And ज़्यादा wait ना करना पड़े. Okay, because navigation easy नहीं है. No bro, not static. आयुष, इससे ज़्यादा वेट करना पड़ेगा ना. अगर मैं रिफ्रेश कर रहा हूँ तो सारे एपीआई कॉल जा रहे हैं तुम्हारे. ये जब ये डेटा बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, हाउ वुड यू प्लान टू मैनेज दिस? ठीक है, if people are using it, it's nice. How much you are charging? चार्जिंग वाला पेज ही नहीं काम कर रहा है क्या? आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस. प्रो फीचर गेट एआई एनालिसिस फॉर योर क्लिनिक रिकॉर्ड्स. ठीक है, तुम इसको चलाओ, मतलब देखो कितने लोग साइन अप करते हैं, देन उसके बाद यू कैन इम्प्रूव ऑन द थिंग्स। इट्स नाइस, एआई से बनाया हुआ है बट इट्स इज ओके। ऑथेंटिकेशन है, क्योंकि एक ही डॉक्टर मतलब क्लिनिक वाइज यूज होगा तो इट वुडंट बी अ अटैकेबल थिंग, एंड दिस इज a workable model. This is nice, brother. No, currently no payment gateway setup. As I already told, it's an MVP and you can check karte AI feature and all. Yes, okay. Logic is made by me. Okay, front end as is by AI. Check the AI widget. See, it's UI issue. It gave 200 error, 200, but you are you are not bubbling up this error to here. यहाँ पे तुमने 200 ही दिया है, but the actual ये मैंने error, it's some error. 404 not found error. Textbook embedding is not found. It's not working. 12 tokens will be split into one chunk. ये कट भी नहीं हो रहा, जा भी नहीं रहा ये. Nothing is happening, brother. It's stuck. Your close function है, किसमें एंगुलर में बनाया क्या? रिएक्ट में बनाया तुमने? So यहाँ पे तुम भूल गए शायद, अब ये बंद ही नहीं होगा. I have to refresh this page. इंटरनेट काम नहीं कर रहा है क्या मेरा? तुम्हारे इसका कुछ तो फटा है यहाँ पे. Promise. सी, क्योंकि मैंने बड़ा फाइल अपलोड कर दिया यहाँ पे, इसके वजह से. आई हैव टू गो बैक. इट्स द प्रॉब्लम, एक कॉल फेल होगा तो सब कुछ ही फेल होगा ये एप्लीकेशन. Don't make all the calls on every page. And the AI knowledge is RAG based. STO conserve API cost. Okay. Yes, there are a few bugs which I have to fix. Yeah. This is something because AI training is now pending. It's not blocking. It you should not wait for this AI training now. I guess I'm thinking कि ये document होगा, document can be of any size, so you can run this in the background, not wait for this API call to work. Now because of this call your application is not working now. It's waiting for this call to finish. Unless this call is finished, there's nothing will there will won't happen anything. This is nice, but nice idea. Good thing, brother. GG. Let me give you some points for this on the Discord server. For sharing his SAS. This is nice. ये अभी भी कॉल तुम्हारा अटका हुआ ही है देखो. Fix this. वो जाने भी नहीं दे रहा, कहीं पे भी जाने नहीं दे रहा. तुमने एआई से बना तो लिया है. फिक्स दिस बग. एआई ट्रेनिंग वाला, एआई ट्रेनिंग में जाके कुछ ऐड करके देखो, दे रहा है 3-4 बग्स. बाकी सब में तो इतना बग दिखा नहीं ओपनली मेरे को. So back to the question that we were solving. I asked this. Yeah. And what to add inside the queue, inside the loop. So यहाँ पे queue bus we added the bus stop. We need to add the bus stop. We need to add the bus stop. If not visited this, okay, if not visited this, in next stop. ये कुछ तो नया है भाई. Like this. If not visited bus, mark is visited in next stop. Routes bus. Oh, it worked. इतना ही इशू था क्या अपने कोड में? Yeah, shut up. This is something new. हम यहाँ पे क्या ऐड कर रहे थे? We are adding first bus in the queue, okay? Bus stop, which is the source. And then again we were trying to add the bus, which was wrong. So now we have to take the next stop on the routes. So routes is the first जो दिया हुआ है routes, and then bus जिसमें भी वो bus होगा, and next stop. And add this next stop. Sequentially add this next stop. Okay, so this was the total for this. So we have solved this problem. Let me mark over here how many problems we have solved. I guess 84 85 problems now. This problem is done. This will come over here. This problem is our next problem. and graph validity. Let me go to the Notion. Update this. We have solved two hard questions today, so this is done. Now the next type is cycle detection BFS. Okay, so let me add this now. Graph BFS. Uh, Cycle detection. I should mention it like this. Okay, and what would be the next problem then? This redundant connection. Redundant connection will be the next. Okay, let me refresh in the OBS so that you guys can see this. Yeah. Okay, it was not that hard, you know. हमने इजी और मीडियम क्वेश्चन इतने कर लिए ना, पैटर्न इतना क्लियर है अभी अपने को, तो ये इतना मुश्किल नहीं जा रहा, बस ये हम नहीं समझ पाए थे. These two lines and everything was correct. Nice, this is nice. So these two questions we have solved. या अब तक हार्ड क्वेश्चन बस एक सॉल्व किया हुआ था. कल से हमने वी हैव सॉल्व 4 हार्ड क्वेश्चन, सो वी हैव इम्प्रूव्ड अ लॉट, दैट्स फॉर श्योर. आई एम नॉट टेकिंग अ बैक स्टेप फॉर ऑन मी फॉर दिस. We have improved. So consistency is literally paying off right now. So the new concept is cycle detection. Cycle detection also has two different types that I know. I have to read for this. I don't have any notes added for cycle detection. So we are very close to this, 100 question mark. These are the total questions that we solved. Oh shit. Some of them are unsolved, but yeah. And this is the queue for current. Nice. तो ग्राफ एक बार अच्छे से हो जा रहा है अपना. Then we have topological sort as well. Cycle detection and topological sort, these two things, patterns that we are now. Multi-source BFS is done. This is done. Cycle detection, and then this. Cycle detection has all the medium level problems, no easy level problem. I can mark this as 01 DFS, no, and then this. Okay. Yeah, so I guess this is it for today. संडे का स्ट्रीम पे लीड कोड करो तो बहुत ही गंदा रिस्पॉन्स आता है, तो there are not many people are live today on Sunday night. So if you guys are interested in solving DSA, solving lead code, then you can do like the stream. You don't have to subscribe to the channel yet. You can just like the stream so that whenever I'll be online, you can join the stream. And this is literally paying off, paying off the debt. uh, I was very scared about the hard problems few days ago, and now I'm solving this almost 90% of the I'm solving every hard problem with almost 90% accuracy. Like for 10% I have to still take the help from the chat GPT, but 90% is still a good mark to be there, because a few months back I was not able to think about any solving any hard level problem on lead code. So this is nice. So thank you all for joining the stream. I'll be ending the stream today early because it's a Sunday night. So till then, take care, bye bye, and see you soon. जिसने भी like नहीं किया है, please do like the stream, and I'll be back at the same time 10 p.m. tomorrow as well. I'll be streaming daily this week, and I'm also finding a new क्या बोलते हैं उसको system design का problem to solve. I was thinking about deploying anything using any application using Docker, so I can do that Docker wala thing. Now it's the time. Now it's the high time to do that. So we'll do that. Okay. Till then, stay tuned. Do like the streams. Keep coming back. keep studying along with me. Do that because I can see many of you guys are doing solving lead code questions along with me. So it is like win-win for us. So we'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye and good night.